Today we are going to discuss about carbonyl compounds. It is a very vast family of organic compound, particularly the carbon-oxygen double bond containing group, that is C double bond O group itself. It is called as carbonyl group, and this carbonyl group carrying organic compounds, or the carbonyl group is the part of a functional group. All such kinds of compounds are called as carbonyl compound. For example, suppose RC double bond O single bond H. Here, this C double bond O is a carbonyl group, called it as aldehyde. Another one is RC double bond O single bond OR. See, this is a carbonyl group, called it as ketone. Suppose RC double bond O single bond OH, it is a carboxylic acid. The general formula for carboxylic acid, which contain C double bond O group, it is also a carbonyl group. Hence, carboxylic acids are also carbonyl compound, aldehydes are carbonyl compound, ketones are carbonyl compound. Another one is also RC double bond O single bond OR. These are called as ester. It also contain C double bond O, means esters are also carbonyl compound. So now we are going to discuss about aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid in your 12th syllabus. So now we are going to start the aldehydes. As you know that aldehyde contains C double bond O group, means they are no doubt carbonyl compound. So particularly aldehydes are those carbonyl compound which contain dash C double bond O single bond H group, that is formyl group, and such type of compounds in which the formyl group or dash C double bond OH group are the functional group called as aldehydes. Aldehydes. See, so the definition of aldehyde: the carbonyl compound which contain dash CHO group as a functional group. Those are nothing but, we may say, formyl group are called as aldehydes. This is a simple definition. Another definition: this is the RCH2 single bond OH. We know that this is the general formula for primary alcohol. When these primary alcohols are oxidized in presence of acidified K2Cr2O7, acidified K2Cr2O7 as an oxidizing agent, then there is the removal of water and formation of RC double bond O single bond H. So this is nothing but aldehyde, means aldehydes are the first oxidation products of primary alcohols. Aldehydes are the first oxidation products of primary alcohols. Also, aldehydes are those carbonyl compound which contain dash C double bond OH group, that is formyl group, as the functional groups are called as aldehydes. So you know aldehydes. Aldehydes are nothing but the carbonyl compound having CHO group as a functional group called as aldehyde. Now question arises that there are how many kinds of aldehyde? That's called the classification of aldehyde. You know, classification is on the basis of nature of carbonyl, nature of aliphatic or aromatic group attached to the carbonyl carbon. Suppose this is RC double bond O single bond H and it is AR. AR means aromatic group. This is the sign to represent aryl or aromatic group. Simply the most primary aromatic compound is benzene. So RCOH. This is called benzaldehyde. This is called benzaldehyde, and this is an aliphatic aldehyde in which simply the alkyl group may be methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, and exceptionally in case of formaldehyde this R may be simply hydrogen atom. This is a formaldehyde. The common name of this compound is formaldehyde. What will be the IUPAC name? We will see later on. Okay, suppose a CH3 C double bond O single bond H. This is acetaldehyde. This is acetaldehyde. How you name this? We will see in the nomenclature article of this chapter. Okay, so this is propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. No doubt, it is also an aromatic aldehyde. See, it is also an aromatic aldehyde in which OH group is additional Another functional group is also attaches to the aromatic ring. Salicylaldehyde will be the name of this compound. See friend, here in all these cases, in case of formaldehyde, in case of acetaldehyde, in case of propionaldehyde, the alkyl groups are attached to the CHO group, formyl group or aldehydic functional group. So such type of aldehydes in which the R group or alkyl group may be aliphatic group, or exceptionally in case of formaldehyde it should be hydrogen. All these kinds of aldehydes are called as aliphatic aldehyde. And the aldehydes in which the aromatic group or aryl groups are attached to the carbonyl carbon, aldehydic carbon, they are called as aromatic aldehydes. And these are nothing but the classification of aldehyde depending upon the nature of carbon chain, carbon skeleton attached to the carbonyl carbon or aldehydic carbon. If simply the aliphatic open chain alkyl groups are attached to the carbonyl carbon, such type of aldehydes are called as aliphatic aldehydes. Exceptionally in case of formaldehyde, the attaching group is simply hydrogen and it is also come under aliphatic aldehyde. Aromatic aldehydes are those aldehydes in which the aromatic rings are attached to the carbonyl carbon directly, or CHO group directly attaches to the aromatic ring like benzene or its derivatives are called as aromatic aldehydes. So this is the detailed classification regarding between aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. Now we will going to discuss about its nomenclature. You know, there are two methods for naming the aldehydes as like other organic compound. First one is a common name system. By this common name system is also called as ट्राइबल नेम सिस्टम. ट्राइबल बोले तो जिसको हम मराठी में प्रादेशिक बोलेंगे, ट्राइबल नेम सिस्टम यानी कि अलग अलग टेरिटरीज में, अलग अलग कंट्रीज में उसको एक ही कंपाउंड को अलग अलग नाम दिया जाता है, इसलिए इसको ट्राइबल एज वेल एज कॉमन नेम सिस्टम ऐसा बोलते हैं. यू नो दैट द फर्स्ट मोस्ट प्राइमरी एग्जांपल ऑफ aldehyde is this. Another one is CH3 C double bond O single bond H. Now suppose CH3 CH2 C double bond O single bond H. Okay, CH3 CH2 CH2 C double bond O single bond H. One thing keep in your mind, you have to observe, we all are observed that aldehyde group always and always present at terminal position of the carbon chain, not never in intermediate state. aldehyde group हमेशा कार्बन चेन के टर्मिनल पोजीशन को होगा, एक तो लेफ्ट टर्मिनल या राइट टर्मिनल, वो इंटरमीडिएट पोजीशन को कभी नहीं होगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर सपोज देयर इज ए एसिड, दिस इज अ फॉर्मिक एसिड, द नेम ऑफ द कॉमन नेम ऑफ दिस एसिड इज फॉर्मिक एसिड. Suppose it is to be reduced. Reduced means oxygen atom of OH group is removed, then it become aldehyde. So simply common name system have to be claimed that common name system recommended that from the common name of parent acid, from the common name of parent acid ending IC acid, ending IC acid. Suppose it is a formic acid. Okay. Oxygen is to be removed, it become aldehyde. So a common name system tells that IC acid of the name of parent acid, common name of parent acid, is replaced simply by word aldehyde, and that should be the common name of that particular aldehyde. Suppose in this case, formic acid is the parent acid, so replace IC acid and add the word aldehyde. Now it become formaldehyde. So the name of this compound, both are same. Name of this compound is formaldehyde. How it is come? According to the common name system. The common names of aldehydes are given by replacing ending IC acid from the common name of parent acid with the word aldehyde. Suppose it is a formic acid derivative. When formic acid undergo reduction, formic acid reduced, then there is a formation of aldehyde, that is called formaldehyde. Suppose there should be OH, then it is acetic acid. इसका parent acid क्या होगा? Acetic acid. अगर यहाँ पर OH group है तो अगर ऑक्सीजन रिप्लेस करे तो उसका aldehyde बनेगा, इसलिए IC acid is replaced by aldehyde, it become acetaldehyde. There are 3 carbon atom. Suppose OH group is there, then the parent acid should be propionic acid. Propionic acid will be the common name of parent acid. Replace O, it become aldehyde. Then ending IC acid is replaced by aldehyde called propionaldehyde. It is a butyric acid containing 4 carbon atom. Butyric acid, suppose OH is there. You know, it is a reduction product. Then इसका when oxygen remove, इसको reduce करेंगे हम, तो यहाँ पर aldehyde बनेगा. Ending IC acid is replaced by aldehyde, it become butyraldehyde. So these are nothing but the common name. These are the simple examples. Suppose there is a substituted group. You know, this is a one kind of aldehyde. Always and always CHO group, aldehyde group is present at terminal position. So the carbonyl carbon attaching carbon is called alpha. इसको बोलना अल्फा. ये हो गया बीटा. अगर इसको हमने बीटा बोले तो ये साइड चेन हुआ. हम स्ट्रेट चेन जाएंगे अल्फा बीटा. अल्फा पोजीशन को एक साइड चेन अटैच है, उसका नाम है मिथाइल. सो इट इज कॉल्ड अल्फा मिथाइल. टोटल carbons are 3. So the parent acid should be propionic acid.